In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily lazy load a YouTube embed by just using a little bit of JavaScript and also a little bit of CSS to help style it and make sure that your video is responsive. So it's kind of like a two-in-one. So we'll take a look at our HTML first off. So I'm using a class here, lazy load YouTube inline. That's will be used within a JavaScript function. And then our responsive iframe, that just helps to make sure that the video is responsive and it shrinks and it doesn't get bigger than a certain size. And also it keeps that ratio, so then the video doesn't have any black on the top bottom either. So first off, let's take a look at our function. Well, here we have the each function looking for that class that we specified, the lazy load YouTube inline. Then it grabs the ID. And we notice here I put down that it needs to be a unique ID. Why is that? Well, first, if I were to do this twice, all it's going to do is show it once. Even if I went in, and let me see if I changed this, the data embed for a different video, it's only going to show the one video. That's it. So if we wanted to show two videos, well, then we have to make sure that we have that unique ID. So if I would just change that to a 2, we'll see when it refreshes, it should be there. Alright, hit save, refresh, and we see two different videos are showing up. Very nice. So now, I'm going further into it. Our next step in our JavaScript, we have that YouTube embed, and it's getting the data object here and the embed as specified here. So all we need is that end part of the YouTube link, our YouTube ID, to put that in there. And then we use the HTML function to embed it, as well as putting that code right where it needs to be. Now, of course, you can change some of the encode here. I keep these on here as default so that it won't autoplay. It's muted at 0. And also it shows the closed captioning. So that's quite simply how it is. I'll put this link to the code within the description, and you can use it as you like.